Step into the realm of financial enlightenment, where every dollar spent becomes a stepping stone towards prosperity. Welcome, savvy viewers, to our electrifying journey through the top 20 habits that will transform your financial landscape from ordinary to extraordinary. Get ready to ignite your financial glow and embark on a thrilling adventure towards wealth, wisdom, and well-being. Number 1. Setting clear goals. Take time to meticulously outline your financial aspirations, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, funding your children's education, or retiring comfortably. Establishing clear objectives provides a roadmap, motivating disciplined financial behaviors and guiding decision-making processes. Number 2. Budgeting Brilliance. Dive deep into your finances by creating a comprehensive budget that meticulously tracks income and expenses. By scrutinizing your spending habits, you can identify areas where costs can be reduced or eliminated, allowing you to allocate resources more efficiently towards your financial goals. Number 3. Embrace frugality. Embracing a frugal lifestyle involves conscientiously distinguishing between essential expenses and discretionary spending. By prioritizing needs over wants and seeking out cost-effective alternatives, you can minimize unnecessary expenditures, freeing up funds to be allocated towards savings or investments for future financial security. Number 4. Invest wisely. Equip yourself with knowledge about various investment opportunities, ranging from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. Conduct thorough research and seek advice from financial experts to make informed decisions that align with your risk tolerance and long-term financial objectives, maximizing the potential for wealth accumulation and growth. Number 5. Continuous learning. Cultivate a thirst for knowledge in the realm of personal finance by staying updated on market trends, economic indicators, and investment strategies. Attend seminars, read books, and leverage online resources to expand your financial literacy, empowering yourself to make sound financial decisions and adapt to changing circumstances effectively. Number 6. Automate savings. Implement automated systems to divert a portion of your income directly into savings or investment accounts. By removing the temptation to spend impulsively and ensuring consistent contributions towards your financial goals, you can gradually build a substantial nest egg that provides financial security and peace of mind for the future. Number 7. Debt management. Take proactive steps to manage and reduce your debt burden by prioritizing repayment strategies. Evaluate the interest rates and terms of your outstanding debts, and consider consolidating high-interest loans or implementing a debt snowball or avalanche method to accelerate debt elimination and improve your financial health. Number 8. Emergency fund. Establish a dedicated emergency fund to cushion against unforeseen expenses or financial emergencies. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account, providing a financial safety net to cover unexpected medical bills, car repairs, or job loss without resorting to high-interest debt or liquidating assets.